Once upon a time, in a lush jungle, there lived a clever little monkey named Momo. Momo loved to explore the jungle and play with his friends, but one day, something unusual caught his eye. Beneath a tall tree, Momo discovered a mysterious, shiny object. It was a magical crystal that sparkled with enchanting colors. As Momo touched the crystal, he felt a surge of intelligence. The crystal granted him the gift of cleverness, making him the smartest monkey in the jungle. With his cleverness, Momo started helping his friends in the jungle. From finding lost items to solving puzzles, he became the go-to monkey for everyone. Word spread about Momo's cleverness, reaching the ears of a jealous leopard named Leo. Leo couldn't stand the idea of someone being smarter than him. Leo challenged Momo to a series of cleverness tests, hoping to prove that he was still the smartest animal in the jungle. Momo, using his wit and intelligence, triumphed in every test Leo threw at him. The jungle animals cheered for their clever little hero. In the end, Momo shared the lesson that intelligence should be used for helping others and making the world a better place. The jungle became a harmonious and clever community. And so, Momo and his friends lived happily ever after, using their cleverness to create a jungle full of joy and laughter.